a question like this in an external exam, it may look simple, but it's not. It's quite technical. What you need to do is, first of all, analyze the question and then find out what they want you to do. Let's go. They say a thin lens is placed 50 cm from an illuminating object. Full stop. If the image magnification is 1/4, calculate the power. So we are going to calculate the power in diopters. D. Power in diopters. D. Not the focal length. That is where some students will make some mistake. Yes. But if you understand this, it's very simple. You need to find out what they want you to do. Solution without wasting time. We look at this. A thin length is placed. That is object distance. And object distance is U equal to 50 cm. 50 cm, 50 all over 100 simply means 0.5 meters. Already converted. What I've just done is that I've converted from 60 cm, centimeter, to 0.5 meters. Take note. So this becomes the new object distance. U now is equal to 0.5 meters. We don't have the image distance. It's unknown. Alright? We need to find the image distance unknown. We need to find the focal length or still unknown, right? Okay? But the good news is we have magnification. M is equal to image distance over what? Object distance, which is given as 1/4. That's this. That is it. So if we have this, we are halfway solving this problem. We now have this. That image distance over object distance is equal to 1/4. We have this, but we don't have V. So what do? We make V the subject. It becomes V being the image distance is equal to this move to this point, right? That's what it means. We make V the subject. Remember, when we make V the subject, what do you think happens here? This move to this point. We then have U, right? All over 4. V is this. Maybe somehow measure the meters, since we have converted to meters, right? So wherever we see V, we substitute with what? U. That's all. Interesting. Okay, let's take it from there. Let's push a bit forward. The next thing is we define focal length. And if we define focal length, it becomes 1/F is equal to 1/U plus 1/V, whichever way. Good. So the next thing is to substitute. 1/F is equal to, what do we have as our U? Look at it. We have U as 0.5. 1/0.5 plus, what do we have as V? Check it. Our V here is U/4. Okay? We have U/4, which invariably, if we do simple transposition, okay? If we transpose simply here, we get something different, which is 1/F. Good. Where is my chalk? Okay, it's equal to, we retain this the way it is, 1/0.5 plus, watch this, if we transpose, 4 goes up, can you see it now? U remains here, so 4 goes up, U comes down. We can now substitute for U, of course you know this. Now we have 1/F is equal to 1/0.5 for U, then also 1/, this is 4 now /0.5. Good. By the time we juggle this, we solve what we are supposed to do, what we are supposed to do here. What will happen is that we are going to arrive at a situation. We want to find the focal length. right? If we take the inverse of both sides, if we take the inverse, come on, we take the inverse, okay? If we do that, we don't have, look at what we're going to get. We find that we have f is going to be LCM first. We have LCM is going to be 0.5. Good. So remember, we still have the inverse here, right? So we now have f inverse is equal to, what do we have there? Check this times this. That is 1. That is 1 plus, it becomes, what do we have? This dividing this 1 again, and that is 4, right? We take it that way. Are we making any mistake? I don't think so. So if we do that, we have 4 all over 0.5. By the time we juggle up once again, we move this, and we have, this is 5. Okay? We have 5. If we do this, and then do what we're supposed to do, this should be 1 plus 4 here. Check it. That is it. That's what it should be. LCM of this is 0.5. 0.5 divided 0.5 is 1 times 1. We have 1. Okay? We go again, 0.5 divided 0.5 again. We have 1 times this. That's 4. So this should be 5. Okay? No more wasting time. Let's look at it, this point. Look at this. This becomes 5 all over 0.5. Let's see what happens. I'm trying to simplify further. And we have 5, and what happens here? If we simplify this, check. If we simplify this further, let's just go further, do this. We're going to have 0.1 meters as the focal length. But that's not the final answer. We're looking for power. Power of the lens in diopters, right? I repeat, we're looking for power of the lens, all right, in diopters. And that should be power of the lens is P. Capital P is equal to 1 all over F. F being the focal length, right? This is the focal length. And if we substitute, it becomes 1 all over 0.1. And if inverse of this is definitely going to be 10. Okay? D, because they say in diopters, 10D, that's the answer. So find out. Find out. Is there any steps? Any step or steps not clear? You put it in the comment section. We clarify it from there. Right? But I think this is what it should be. Let's once again cross-check. The image, the object distance is this. We convert to this. And then put down things we're supposed to put down. We have this, we have that. Substitute wisely, and we have that. And for u is 0.5, we put it there. Find the LCM here is 0.5, and then 0.5 divided this is 1, 1 times this is 1, 0.5 divided this is 1 again, 1 times that is 4. Right. And what happens? That's what we have here. And finally we arrive at this. Then, to find the power in diopters is P equals to 1 over F, and that's this. Finally, the answer is 10 diopters, D. Okay? That is it. I sign out. Come on. Take care.